Okay. Please watch out at the temperature light.
It right? Just look at now.
So we're working on a 2014 Kia Cadenza. The customer brought it in for a temperature gauge problem. Once you put in a new battery, the temperature gauge will rise, and all of a sudden it will drop. So we just disconnected the battery, put another battery, and we're watching the temperature gauge. And we'll see if it will drop. We're going to scan it, and after scanning, then we'll test drive and see if the temperature drops. Then we'll see the error codes involved.
What's it drop?
As you can see, it has dropped. The car is actually still on. As it has dropped. So we want to find out what the issue is. So scan.
Kia. Now they get light for you.
Amen.
Idela.
From the scan results, we can see that we have a P0118. From the scan result, we can see that we have a P0118 engine coolant temperature sensor circuit high. Then in the engine control, in the air conditioner module, we have coolant temperature sensor circuit count signal 16 P1687. It's already active. So we are going to do some troubleshooting and find out why that sensor input circuit is high, showing there's a short circuit. Why sensor circuit count signal is not receiving a signal for that particular sensor.
What I saw is different from this one. I see this.
So we have removed I tried to locate the temperature sensor. I discovered that this particular connector was not connected. Apparently there was an overheating problem and the gasket was replaced. I guess maybe they forgot to connect it. So you can see apparently that is the temperature sensor, engine temperature sensor. So we are going to connect it back now, and I'll go and do my scanning and confirm that all is well. Now we have assembled all the parts back. Let's go and test and see. Okay, now the temperature gauge is reading properly now. What I will do, I will go and get my scanner and check the temperature readings. Now the temperature has risen up.
No, that's the normal. Normal day normally.
Okay.
That's the normal.
No, initially it was below that this line.
Yes.
But no wahala.
Ó yẹ máa pọ̀. Kíní wọ̀nyẹn tí wọ́n ń sìn yín.
Tẹ́sí lásán gbẹdẹ́gbẹ́ 1 million, olówó iṣẹ́ 1.1 million, nígbà tí rírà lásán 1.5 rírà nìkan.
Those things are expensive now. Kò dẹ̀ lè wálẹ̀ mọ́.
Ìgbà tí mo fẹ́ wá sọ fún ilé ẹgbẹ́ 86 lókè, ìgbà tí mo lọ ra 88 so ọ̀dẹ̀ tí àgbọ̀dẹ̀ lè rí.
Ẹ̀wọ̀n pé dọ́là nǹkan tó wá lọ sókè láàrin ìgbà yẹn.
So the error code is no longer there. Also,
Anyway, tó wá nílùú mọ́tò ìsìn tó wá nílùú iṣẹ́ ẹ̀ láti gbé pẹ̀lú gbogbo táwọn òyìn náà máa ṣe ṣe owó ti fún. Gáàsì ìdílé àlọ́ fi máa fi gáàsì. Ẹ̀pínlẹ̀ kan.
you can see the fourth code is no longer there. The fourth code is no longer there.
Owó ìdálẹ́ ìdọ́ engine 3 million. Now. Ọmọ ekiri ni, ọmọ àbúrò ẹ̀ ni.
So the fault has been taken care of. This is Azar and Arez. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page. Thank you for watching.